Welcome back to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today, banana cream pie. What? Heath, you have Chex Mix cereal out here. Yes, I do. Do you remember when you were a kid and you used to grab Chex Mix cereal, peanut butter, chocolate, and powdered sugar, mix it all together, shake it, get those big clumps of crap? Yeah, that's what we're doing, except we're hooking it up this time with banana pudding, because we like bananas. So, what do we got? Powdered sugar, white chocolate chips, butter, sweetened condensed milk, banana pudding mix. You've got some Chex Mix cereal, a couple big ass bags, and some Reeses Pieces for a little peanut butter on top. Got a nice little saucepan here. We're gonna take 2 sticks of butter, which equal a cup. We're gonna take white chocolate chips. We've got 2 cups of white chocolate chips here. We forgot about milk again. 2 tablespoons, just regular milk. And we've got a cup of sweetened condensed milk. All this is gonna be cooked on medium heat. And it's just gonna be cooked until it's all smooth and melted and combined together. Medium heat until it's all incorporated. And we're just gonna add our banana pudding mix. We added 1, here's the other bag. Now we're just gonna mix this till it's all combined and then remove from heat. Nice and incorporated, take it off the heat. Take our 1 box of Chex cereal, and we're gonna divide this into 2 big bags because it's not gonna fit in one. Let's take our nice mixture, and we're gonna have to cut this in half as well. It's in there. Let's try to combine this cereal around while it's still all hot and delicious. You gotta be careful not to crush it all for obvious reasons. This is why I put it all in a bag, because it makes it so much easier than mixing it by hand. So we're just gonna do this for both bags. Okay, we've got it all nicely incorporated, all coated on the cereal, and we're gonna take our powdered sugar, which we have 3 cups of powdered sugar here. So we're gonna try to obviously cut that in half as well. We're gonna keep a little bit off to the side though, and I'll show you why here in a second. Shake the shazaza out of it. They are all nicely coated. What that powdered sugar is gonna do is it's gonna stick and soak up all the stickiness of the condensed milk, butter, yada yada yada. So why we kept a little bit extra is because now that that's all incorporated and stuck to it, this is gonna be like the final dusting that's gonna just cover it and dry it all out. Look at that. All coated, all delicious. So let this one cool off, let them both cool off. I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna give that to people that I like. This one we're gonna take right now. We're gonna just dump it in a nice little bowl. And the Reeses Pieces. This is optional. You can add whatever candies you want. I just think peanut butter and banana go really well together, so that's why I decided to pick Reeses. Plus, they have really cool colors and they look good. Oh, like a little Halloween early for you. Tastes like banana cream pie. Banana pudding, baby. If you like what we're doing, hit that thumbs up. Click subscribe, help support this channel. We need all the help we can get. And we're gonna try to do some creative other things. Leave in the comments what else you want us to try. See you next time, guys. Drunk Apron, out.